Hello! In today's video, I get to share with you a full face using Flower Knows. We're going to get into all the details, all the things. I'm so excited to share this brand with you and try out all the products. So let's hydrate and begin. So Flower Knows! Every single time I use this little hand mirror in a video, you guys are always asking me, where is that little hand mirror from? Let's have a moment for all the details, all the things. I have tried a couple of their products and I really enjoy them. So Flower Knows kindly sent us this package. I haven't opened it yet, so let's unbox together. This is from the Strawberry Cupid collection and we have to just take a moment. It's all about the details. Look at these details. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Right? Here we are. Here are all our goodies. This is the Strawberry Cupid collection hair clip. Look at this. It's a little hair barrette. So it's one of these that snaps in the back. This will add such a cute little touch to any outfit. So we have here 3 liquid blushes. The greatest thing about Flower Knows is that their details do not stop at just packaging. It continues all the way through. So here is the liquid blush. It comes packaged very securely. And here is the packaging on the liquid blush. Wow. Look at that. So this is in the shade Apple Glow. Has a nice little applicator. This next one is Pink Gemstone. This one's a lot more pinky. This is in the shade Coastal Rose. Look at the details. Here are the swatches of the 3 blushes. Apple Glow is the darkest. Pink Gemstone. And then Coastal Rose, the lightest. This is the Cake Lip Cream. I am so very interested in what this product is going to look like. I cannot with this packaging. Oh my days. Again, packaged nice and securely. Packaging is incredible. It's literally a little cake. I cannot. Look at all the details. So you twist off and it reveals a little doe foot applicator. So it has this covering, but you remove that to reveal the product. And here's the little doe foot, which is the top of the cake. It's a soft whipped texture and consistency. Ooh, look at that. Cannot wait. And then it goes right back in. I can't. This is so cute. Another one of those cake lip creams in the shade Meredith. Love all of the details on the packaging. Oh my goodness, I can't handle all of this cuteness. This is major cuteness overload. Here is Meredith. Let's swatch Meredith and see. Okay, so Meredith is a lighter variation. It's like a light pinky tone. Oh, these look so comfortable and lightweight. So Meredith and Cranberry swatched. Again, I can't get over the packaging. Look how pretty. These look like they're going to be so soft and airy on the lips. I cannot wait. This is the heart-shaped Marshmallow Powder Puff. This is adorable. Oh, I cannot. This is the heart-shaped Marshmallow Powder Puff. Packaging. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I think I know what this is. Strawberry Cupid collection mirror. Ta-da. And it comes with a little bow. A moment for the details. The icing, the strawberries, the fork, bow, and even the details on the handle. Turn it around. It is a nice sized mirror. They also sent over a highlight and contour palette. They sent it in the shade number 2 Tawny Tea. Look at the packaging on this. And the details continue all on everything. We'll have to swatch this to see if this is going to work. The liquid blushes are so beautiful. I can't wait to try them on. Let me go ahead and apply my base makeup. Just gonna do a little foundation and concealer. You know, the usual. I went ahead and applied my base makeup. I'll have everything listed and linked for you down below in the description box, but let's try out the liquid blush. This one is in the shade Apple Glow. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the back of my hand. I'm going to try it with the little puff, and I'm going to go ahead and pick up with the puff, and let's apply. How cute is this? Look at the gorgeous color. Wow. It's applying over top very nicely, very lightweight. Gives such a pretty flush. Ooh. This time around, I'm gonna go ahead and just put it direct. Let's see how that applies. Okay, she will build. I like this little applicator. It's very soft. It's doing a great job. So this applied really, really nicely, and I like that I was able to build it up. The formula, it's nice and light and thin and blended really beautifully with the little puff. It looks great on the skin, a very natural finish. Okay. Let's try out Pink Gemstone. Let's try that out on this side. And I'm actually just going to go ahead and apply this direct. I think it did okay. It did okay when I applied it directly on this side to build it up, so I think we're going to be fine. I'm going to use my little puff. I like this soft little pink flush. What a beautiful finish on the skin, and I actually really like this lighter pink flush. This is more ideal for like my everyday. This is as well, but I would probably sheer it out just a bit. So pretty. Ooh, okay. Let's see how this one builds. I really like this color. I really like my mirror too. But you knew that already, right? Yeah. Oh. I'm trying to figure out, do I like the more warm orangey tone on this side? That's a little bit more, or do I like this soft pink flush? I think both are beautiful, and it's gonna be like a time and place kind of vibe. Yeah. Now the shade Coastal Rose is a bit light, but we still need to try her. Let's see. I'm gonna just dab it there and kind of blend it as if it was like a highlighting product, and let's see. For me, I don't mind mixing lighter colored products together with, you know, products I already have, because it gives just like a touch of a brightened effect. Yeah. So now I don't have to worry about like per se a highlight that day. Nice and close so you can see the application on the skin. It has blended into the skin really beautifully. Yeah. I like that it's such a very natural finish too. This is the Embossed Highlight and Contour Palette. This is going to be a touch light for me, but let's give it a try nonetheless. It's got a little touch of kick up. It's a nice soft formula. Yeah, she's a little light for me. Let's try this lightest shade to brighten a bit on the under eye, and then the highlight. So I'm going into this lightest shade. I'm gonna tap that excess. And I'm just gonna put a touch on the under eye for a little brightened effect. Let's see how that does. Okay, it's a soft little brighten effect, and it feels very light. I'm going into that highlighting shade. Oh, she's beautifully intense. Hello, glow. The base is flushed and glowy. I am going in with, this is from my collection, my little Flower Knows eyeshadow palette, and do a quick little eye look, and we'll pull everything together and then we'll try out those lip products. It's time to try out the Cake Lip Creams. Again, I can't get over the packaging. It is so cute. Here are the swatches. You have the lighter one. It's a little bit more of a nude, kind of like that everyday kind of vibe. And then you have this one, that's Cranberry. It's a little bit more red, more warm. We'll start off with Meredith first, which is the lighter shade. So you take your little applicator and you go into the little, there we go. There it is. Feels very light on the lips. Kind of like a whipped texture. The texture is whipped, it's very light. And the applicator allows for a very precise application. It feels like nothing. I put it on and I don't feel like I have anything on my lips. So here is the shade Meredith applied. Feels like nothing, very lightweight. Again, here it is swatched and applied. I like this one a lot. Here's the shade Cranberry. Let's get in there, get some cranberry going. I like that this is more like a flush on the lips, more like a soft tint. It's not too overpowering, but as you can see, we can build her up. Here's the shade Cranberry swatched, applied. It's so pretty, and I cannot get over how this absolutely just feels like nothing. Let me put Meredith in the center, see if we can create like a little ombre. That's a pretty little custom color. I mixed the two. Yeah, I can get into that. Here is our finished look. These blushes on the skin, so pretty. And that highlight. And although the contour wasn't my color, it didn't work out, the highlight and that brightening powder did a nice job, and it didn't feel heavy. I really am enjoying this finished look. These blushes, the way they look on the skin, they are just, they melted into the skin. They applied beautifully. I like that this one, it's a little softer, a little bit softer of a flush. This one, it's a little bit more, but not too much. I have to report that beyond the really cute and detailed packaging, you do have a really good formulated liquid blush. Definitely something I'll continue to reach for. This highlight and contour palette, the powders are very soft and pigmented and smooth. The contour was a touch light for me, but the brightening powder on the under eye brightened very, very nicely and was very, very lightweight. And the highlight, look at the gorgeous glow. Beautiful formulation. I am quite curious about the shade range on this. I ended up mixing both of the Cake lip creams, but on their own, beautiful. The packaging, oh my days, I can't. And the texture of the lip products, it feels like nothing. It's a moussey, just glides and feels great, especially for the finish. I'm not the biggest fan of no shine on the lip. I like hydrated, glossy, juicy lips, but I can get into this. I can totally get into this. Very comfortable, very beautiful. The hair bow, it's a cute touch. It really is, and it's very detailed. Now my mirror, I love it. I now have two Flower Knows mirror. Who am I? Love the details. It's great. Happy to report that beyond gorgeous details and very creative packaging, Flower Knows, their products are very, very nice in quality, and I had a great experience, and I'm very happy that I was able to share all of that with you today. Please let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. As always, thank you so much for spending some of your time with me today and allowing me to share these products with you. Please take a moment and give today's video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I will see you very, very soon. Bye.